What's going on YouTube? Lou here with another quick review this time. I wanted to give you a detailed look at the new Off-White LV collaborated Prism Keepall. I was able to get my hands on a few of them, so without further ado, let's get right into this review. So finally getting these bags in hand, being able to hold them, see them in person, I was just in awe. I mean, the quality, the color, everything about this bag is really dope. This specific duffel is a size 50. It's not too big, not too small. Initially, before I got this bag, I was curious about a few things just concerning the quality, the cosmetic wear, damage from everyday use, and also how it would look in person. Online, you can't really tell if it's see-through or if when the light hits it, it reflects, but I think that's the beauty behind this bag. It kind of does both. Depending on how the light hits it, you can see through it, but then if you angle it or turn it a certain way, the light kind of bounces back at you, which I think is really dope to watch the colors just dance and move around. Now, creasing is also a concern of mine. Me personally, I'm not a fan of when my padded leather items start to bend and crease, like I said before, from just everyday use, cosmetic wear and tear. But I must say, having this bag in hand, it's nothing shy what we can expect from this fashion house. I mean, it's just a classic design interpreted by Virgil and the good people at Off-White, and I think they did a great job at it. This Prism Keepall was easily one of the more popular pieces from the 2019 Summer-Spring collection, and rumors are that there were less than 200 of these bags produced. Now this bag has a lot of details that I can really appreciate, from the small fonts on the zippers to the buttons, the adjustable crossbody strap, and even a lock that's tucked into its own individual leather snuggie. Attached to the top panel and shoulder claps, you'll find this transparent link chain, which is personally my favorite touch to the item. The retail for this Keepall was $3,850, but checking StockX and looking around the web, they have some online for around $6,500 to $8,000. The kicks you see in this video was actually a pair of Nike IDs I made in like 2015. Back then the Air Forces had this iridescent option. I said I gotta get those. I wore them for a visual I shot a couple summers ago. Until this day I still get people to ask, what are they? When did you get them? When are they coming out? But I don't know if Nike's gonna come back out with that option again, but I'm really happy I was able to snag these pairs when I had the chance. But that's pretty much all I got for this review. Let me know what you all think about this Prism Keepall in the comment section below. I want to give a big shout out to my guy Pat for plugging me with the collection, and also a huge shout out to all my subscribers. We just broke 7,000 and we're on route to hit that 10,000 mark, so thank you for your continuous support, and if you haven't subscribed already, definitely make sure to do so. But until next time, you guys stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.